Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Enable the Cloud Storage API and sign in with gCloud Auth Login so your identity is valid. Once done, make sure you have the correct project selected with gCloud config, set project ID, and verify IAM read access. That's why permission is essential. Without it, you'll see permission errors later. Now, open Cloud Console or keep the terminal ready so you can list buckets in the next step. You now list and inspect storage quickly. Run gCloud Storage Buckets List or gsutil LSP project ID to see bucket names. Once you have a bucket, use gsutil lslgs//bucket to view location, storage class, and retention settings. That tells you how data is stored and costs accumulate. To check usage, run gsutil do sgs//bucket, which gives a size summary. If you need object counts, gsutil lsrgs//bucket wcl, and make sure to note regions for performance. You finish with final checks and a troubleshooting tip. Confirm IAM roles. If you get access denied, ask for roles/storage. Object viewer or check ACLs on the bucket because permissions are the most common blocker. Once done, review cloud audit logs to see failed operations or denied calls, which explains why something didn't appear. Finally, use the console storage browser for a quick visual check and preview objects. If sync looks off, rerun gsutil mrsync or contact the owner to reconcile differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.